Motorola has quietly launched its new refreshed G-series phone in China called Moto G100, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Moto G100 2025 version features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1050 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Moto G100 2025 edition sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT600 sensor, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 118-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery, with 30 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.23 by 76.5 by 8.6mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The new Moto G100 2025 edition has been priced in China at 1,399 Chinese yuan, and the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in obsidian black, green peak, and sky blue color options. And it is said to go on sale starting from October 23rd. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G100 2025 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.